yellow corn, mixed herbs and chili flakes, some butter, chopped coriander, chopped garlic and sliced garlic. Sliced garlic we'll be using for garnishing, some salt and oil for sauteing the corn. Let's add some oil to the pan. First we will be sauteing the sliced garlic for garnishing. Let's add the garlic to the pan. Saute it light till it becomes golden brown, and we'll keep this aside for garnishing later. I think this is done now. Let's remove this from the pan and keep it aside. In the same oil, we'll add the butter and the chopped garlic. We'll fry this garlic till this garlic turns golden brown, something like this. Let's add the chili flakes. Give it a light stir. Now in goes the corn. Give it a good mix and saute the corn for 2 to 3 minutes. Something like this. Next goes in the mixed herbs and salt as per your taste. Now we'll saute this again for 1 to 2 minutes and then cover and cook this corn for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the corn. I think this should be done by now. Yes, the corn is cooked. Now lastly, we'll add some coriander and mix well. This corn is just perfect for any monsoon evening. Serve this hot to your family and I am sure they'll love this.